So we're kind of at the top of the hill in Mooghaun, and look at that, the rain is falling, is féidir feicáil isteach, hail go sort. In Acala Cúnda Limni, you can see towards County Limerick, that's still County Clare I think. So Shumwyd, we're here, this is I think the inner rampart, and like imagine, this wall goes around the hill, and it was only one of 3 walls. It is impressive. It's the ancientness that hits me, but it's not even just the ancientness, the eternal feeling that you get here. There's some sense in the land and you can feel it. Is féidir bhuthú, Mooghain sa talamh. Tá gaeilge mar chuid den scéal anseo I mórthimpeall. I think the Irish language is part of the story of Mooghaun, but I don't know. I stand to be corrected, and it's only a hypothesis. Did they speak an ancient form of Irish when they were building this 3,000 years ago? Níl I don't know. It feels like there's a good chance that they were already speaking a form of like Proto-Celtic or whatever it was. Having said all that, we don't know, but at some point the Irish language showed up here too. There's plenty of evidence like of metalwork and farm work and cooking and everything on this hill. Gur míle maith go bhfuil chairde, slán tamla.